In my earlier video, dated 6 January 2024 at 0830 hours Pacific Standard Time, I installed red and blue beacon lights on my REVV1 REV1 electric bicycle. I went to the San Francisco Police Department to find out if these lights were legal, and technically they are. Since my REV1 is considered a bicycle, an electronic bicycle, it is okay for me to have these lights. But we talked about the consequences of having these lights. One, if there's a commission of a crime going on, the bad guys might make an escape on a high-speed chase, happen to see me on the road with these red and blue lights going on, mistaking me for a cop and run me over or shoot me. Two, society in general do not like police officers, and this makes me look like a bicycle cop, and they might take aggression against me. And three, police officers might see me on the road and pull me over to inspect my bicycle. So because of these consequences, I decided to go with solid colors. The police officer mentioned, go with solid colors. Either go solid blue, solid red, but don't do combination of blue and red. Since blue is my favorite color, I went with solid blue. So this is the final iteration of my lighting system for the REVV1 E-bike.